In today's video, we are going to talk about Twitter cards. What is a Twitter card? Why should we apply this? And how can we apply this? We will learn all of this in today's video. So let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In our last video, we learned about the open graph tag. The Twitter card is also similar to that. So this is going to be very easy for you. When we share a link on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or WhatsApp, a beautiful and rich graph appears with that link. And that rich graph contains the image, logo, website's name, and description. This part of optimization increases your CTR, meaning click through rate. This code or tag will be pasted in the website's head section always. So now let's go to the computer screen to learn how we can generate it. Simply go to the SERP and write Twitter card generator, and you can use wtools.io or smallseotools.com as per your wish. This is the interface. I will use small SEO tools. First of all, you have to select the type, app, player. Player is related to video, product, and summary is related to website, and the last option is summary with large image. That means website with large image will be shown in the Twitter card, right? After that, you have to write the site username. For example, I will write Organically Marketing. This is for example. Then write the app name, for example Twitter, then iPhone app ID, iPad app ID, and Google Play app ID. You have to select your country. Then you have to write the description of your website. For example, my website's description is Learn Advanced SEO in 2025 and so on, or related to your website. Keywords are very important in your website's description. Then the code is generated for us. This is the code in this box. You can see all the details will be pasted here in this. Just simply copy to clipboard and paste it in your website's head section. So viewers, that's all from today's video. Thanks for watching. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.